G'day Team Tech, Connor here from CW Tech, back with another video, and today we're doing my final thoughts on the Nokia 7 Plus. So without further ado, hit the like button and the subscribe button, and let's get stuck into my video. Let's go! Before we get started, I just want to clear one thing up. There are many reasons why you should buy the Nokia 7 Plus. I'm going to be going through the top 3 reasons why you should buy the Nokia 7 Plus. However, it might be different for everyone, but this is my experience. Now, the number one reason I would tell anyone to get the Nokia 7 Plus is going to be the software. That's right. Back in the day, Nokia couldn't get it together. They were running Symbian. The world had moved on, but not anymore. Now we're on the Android One program. It's fast, it's smooth, it's easy to operate. I get monthly security patches every month. That makes me feel secure. Everything is just nice and easy to use. Now, the last few years I've been a Samsung guy. Not anymore. Today, I'm pure Android. I'm sick of Bixby. I'm sick of lag. I'm sick of all the crap that slows down my experience when it comes to my smartphone. So I've gone back in price to the Nokia 7 Plus purely because of what it offers me in terms of ease, simplicity, no double ups. For me, it's perfect. Now, it can be a little boring if you're a themer, but hey, I couldn't care much for theming anymore. So kudos to Nokia for kicking it with their software. Happy days. The second thing on my list of my final thoughts on the Nokia 7 Plus is the battery life. Now, when I get home from a full day of work, I've been using my phone hardcore all day. I've had 3 hours of screen on time, just been absolutely caning my device. I get home at 6 p.m. and I still have 50% of battery life. For me, you can't really beat that. That's what I want. I want to get through a full day. I don't want 3 days or 2 days. I want 1 day of hardcore slamming my phone without running out of battery. So a typical day for me would be 1.5 hours of exercise with Run Keep It Going, 1.5 hours of YouTube videos, Netflix casting to the TV for a couple of hours, Facebook, Instagram, all the social medias, WhatsApp and all that sort of thing. Wi-Fi, location, Bluetooth connected to my smartwatch and my headphones all day, absolutely hammering it. And I get home at 6 p.m. and I've still got 50%. I go to bed at 10 p.m. and I'm still at 30, maybe 20% on a big day. So that for me is brilliant. I don't have to plug my phone as I'm driving home from work. I don't have to plug it in while I'm at work. It's charged, it's running hot, everything's ready to go, and it's amazing. So kudos again to Nokia for the battery. The other standout feature when it comes to the Nokia 7 Plus for me is the build. The build for the Nokia 7 Plus is good. It is really good. We're talking 6000 series aluminium. It's solid. It has copper edges. The edges are also diamond cut and it boasts 6 layers of paint. Now that's pretty awesome. Now not only that, there's no antenna lines, there's no bits missing or half plastic, half aluminium or glass. It's one solid unibody piece of aluminium and it just feels really nice. It's cold in the hand. Now I don't have big hands, but it works. It's nice and easy for me to handle. And it's a fairly big device. Now for those of you with monster hands, you're going to enjoy using this as well because it's not a small device. It's quite a nice sized device and it fits well in my hand, but it'll also be a good size for watching media on as well. It doesn't get too hot, it doesn't overheat, it always has that nice cool feel to it. And you've got an LCD display on the front and Gorilla Glass 3. Now the design, I would say, for the no frills type of device, it's one of the best out there at the moment. It's not that fancy, but it is solid, it is sturdy, and you are going to be happy with it. Now there are many other reasons why the Nokia 7 Plus is an amazing device, and I'll leave links down below to those videos. You can go and check them out. But for me, this is now my daily driver. That's right, I got my Galaxy S8 Plus and I turned it off and I put it away. I'm over it. when I can get this phone to do just as well with a Snapdragon 660 and 4 gigs of RAM, a fairly decent camera, not the best, but fairly decent, and I'm getting all that for around $500. The display's great, the sound is great, the build's great, the software is amazing, the battery life is amazing. Everything is either good or great. So if you're thinking of getting a new device and you don't want to go flagship, you don't want to waste all that extra money, my recommendation to you would be the Nokia 7 Plus. That's it for my coverage on the Nokia 7 Plus. Thank you for watching all my videos. Hit that like button and the subscribe button, and I will catch you in the next video. Check ya!